Hello everyone. Confused as to what your next motherboard should be? Look no further. This video will rank the best 3 Ryzen 5 2600 motherboards based on affordability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation to put an end to your woes and ensure that you buy a motherboard that gives you great value for money. Make sure to check out the product links in the description. Number 3. Gigabyte X470 AORUS. Has AMD Ryzen 2nd Gen Radeon Vega Ryzen 1st Gen 7th Gen A-Series Athlon X4 processor supported all 4 generations. DDR4 non-ECC unbuffered dual-channel modules. A hybrid 8+ 3-phase digital PWM system. Dual armor and ultra-durable design for Crossfire SLI graphics support. WMA audio capacitors in microphone ALC 1220 dB boost SNR by 114 dB rear 110 dB front. Number 2. MSI Before50 Tomahawk. Each of these speeds is supported by XMP's OC mode on a 64GB dual-channel DDR4 RAM setup. Incorporates socket AM4 AMD Ryzen, Radeon Vega graphics processors from the first and second generations of AMD Ryzen. Crossfire technology is supported by 2 AMD processors. Easy debug LED Game Boost Gaming Hotkey X Boost, an easy approach to find out what's wrong. Gaming certified 24 hours on and offline game and motherboard testing by esports players. Realtek 8111 hours LAN chipset 2048 MB of shared memory is the most you can have. Number 1. MSI B450A Pro Best Micro ATX Motherboard. Provide Vega graphics processing for the socket AM4 socket of AMD's Ryzen 1st and 2nd generation processor. Crossfire technology is supported by 2 AMD processors. 16.8 million colors and 17 effects in one-click, synchronize RGB rainbow strips and other RGB options for customizing your lights. Supports 64GB dual-channel DDR4 memory 1866/23/2400/2667 MHz and 2667/2000/3000/3066/3200/3200/3466 MHz by an XMP upload. Improve the performance of your DDR4 memory with steel armor. Thanks for watching our video. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check them out. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.